Those of you wondering how to punch in a vertical offset while you're out here dozing, you're gonna hit this little button right here, and you're gonna scroll down to vertical offset, and then you're gonna move over and you can set anything here. There's your, you start off with negative or a 0 point something. I'm just gonna zero this out, so I'll just hit right here, set to 0, because I'm putting topsoil on. Then hit OK, backspace, and then you're back to the screen again. And then you can change to whatever screen you want to go to with that arrow button. And that's it.